Alright, hey everyone, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at an analysis of TRX, that's Tron or Tronix, whatever you want to call it. It's a cryptocurrency, it's probably my favorite. If you follow me on Twitter, you know that I post about it a lot, but I'm just going to do a quick little technical analysis on it real quick. Alright, if you see this little red box right here, I've already set up the support zone, okay, where it's going to bounce off of. We can see it's actually tested and held several times. And this is a very long term. I think Bitcoin went up to what? Tron, it went up to 2047. So before it had that huge spike and then the downtrend, we were looking at the support being held. So this is held for a really long time. It's held 1, 2, 3, 4 times now, and that's a really good sign. So if it drops back down to this, I would think it's safe. I would buy it because I would expect for a little bit of a bounce. Or not again, I haven't said it yet, but you're responsible for your own purchases. I'm just sharing my own personal opinion. Anyways, so let's look at the here and the now. So if you look right here, we've got a falling trend line, and that falling top right there was actually broken a while ago. We're on a 4-hour chart, by the way. It was actually broken, by the way. If you're like one of these trend line purists or whatever, please don't harp on me. I'm just trying to be fast real quick. Oh, what did I do? I'll bring it back up. Anyways, so this was broken right here, and the result of breaking a top trend line is absolutely amazing. What did we run up from? Let's say we broke it right here at, what did that close? 468. We topped out at 602, which is amazing. That's a huge run. Anyways, so what are we looking at now? Like now we want to know, what are the buy signals? Okay, so, and what are the sell signals? Those are important too. All right, so I'm just, again, if you are a trend line purist, please do not harp on me. Okay. All right, so there. All right, so I've set up kind of like a parabolic support right here, and right here we have falling top again. Okay, now these patterns are very repetitive, if you can't tell. All right, but please don't harp on me, you trendline purist. Alright, so you saw the result of breaking this. We had a nice little run up, okay? And what was the sell signal right here? Is this little guy. See this little guy right here? It's a doji. It might be more of a spinning top, but it was the first red candle after a big run up. Pretty good sell sign. Alright, so if we look right here, alright, this is it's kind of wedged itself. Alright, now this is the top trend, the resistance line, and this is the support line. Okay, we don't want to break the support line. If we break the support line, then what happens is generally speaking, we'll run down a lot. Oh, hey, these are back. Anyways, we'll run down a lot, generally speaking. Okay, now that doesn't always happen. There is no way that you can always get it right 100% of the time. I'm just sharing with you my thought process. If you have more like info, or you're a TA or whatever, and you want to share with me your own opinion, I would love to hear it in the comment section, or you can email me. I'll leave my email in the description, because I'm always looking to learn a little bit more. Anyways, so we have a resistance line right here. So what we really want is to break this resistance line, and I would buy if we broke this resistance, and then I would look for a good sell point. I'm not always looking to make big gains. Okay, let's see, if we look here, I think the next, I got a target. I'm setting my own little target. Please don't like harp on me on misusing words. Like, that's not what a target is. That happened on Twitter. But anyways, so what I'd be looking for is I'd be looking for this right here, this little guy. He had a high of 727. So let's see here. Sorry if I breathed into the mic. Where's the... Here. There we go. So we want to set that up. Yeah, about right there. All right, so that's where we're looking to go if we can break this top line right here. We're looking to go right there. Here, I'll go ahead and change this color. Boop. and boop. So we're looking for here. We're not looking for anything spectacular. We're not looking for 10 times your money. I've done that once. Now I was actually fairly happy, but you know, you don't always look for that. Don't try to take the risk. Okay, don't look for it to go back up to 2,000 Satoshi. Okay, we're gonna make small, realistic goals, and this is actually not very small. This is actually pretty good gain. But anyways, so you know, the sign to try to get here is to break this top trend. Now, what happens if we break this bottom? Likely, we're gonna see a drop back down to this support zone. Okay. I don't exactly see this support zone breaking, and that's only because it's held like 1, 2, 3 times right there. Yeah, 3 times, and then a 4th time way back here. Okay, so I really don't see the support breaking, but if it does, you know, I wouldn't hold on to it. I think it would drop down to, what's this? It'd be more likely to drop down to, I'm sorry. Let's go to a 1-day chart. Actually, that's unimportant right now. Right now, we're looking for buy and sell signals. My bad, off topic. Anyway, yeah. We have the trend line right here. Break that, buy it, and I'm really repetitive, but I'm stressing, you know, my own opinion. So let's move on. The MACD. If you're going off of MACD indicators, right now that looks bearish. Okay, which is not a good sign. But you know, there's always a chance for a possible tease or a swap over. And again, these don't always like line up. Okay, you need 2 out of 3 indicators that this is going good. We need volume, we need stochastic, MACD, but not all of these are gonna give you the go at the same time. You're never gonna get, you know, 10 out of 10. It's not gonna be 10 out of 10 trade. You're gonna assess your risk, and I want you to look at all of your indicators and your patterns and your trend lines and say, hey, is there at least a 70% chance that I'm going to make a profit off of this? And if the answer is yes, go for it. Okay. Now, I'm not your financial advisor. Okay. So don't listen to me. Go back and make your own analysis and, you know, do your own research. Look at different indicators that can help you to plan out your investments. Okay. Now something really difficult that I see a lot of like actual investors. I'm not talking about the people that are only investing in cryptocurrency. I'm talking about people that actually know how to read charts. Some of the difficulty that comes with investing in cryptocurrency is also if you're trying to make US dollars, okay, or any other currency other than Bitcoin, you know, you're also having to measure your performance against Bitcoin. So where we're measuring this in Satoshi right now, if the worth of Bitcoin were to drop, the worth of this would have to drop as well, unless this rose to the exact same degree that Bitcoin dropped. Okay, so that creates a little bit of a complication there. I won't go too in depth. Right now, we're going to measure our performance against Satoshi. I'm actually betting against Bitcoin. I'll show that in a separate video. But yeah, I'm not. This is my favorite coin. I'm not buying it right yet because I haven't found the correct buy signal. Okay, and I'm calling it a buy signal. All right, you know, we have sell signals, which would be, for me, would be to break this bottom support line. And we have buy signals, which would be to break the top trend line. So anyways, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions about, you know, my personal analysis, leave it in the comment section. If you have your own personal analysis of it, go ahead and leave that in the comment section too. I'm always willing to learn something new. If there's a new indicator, maybe not even a new indicator, just like something that you find is more useful than what I'm using, whatever. Yeah, go ahead and share that with me. I'm always looking to learn something new. I'm no guru at this. I'm actually relatively new. Just put a lot of thought into it. So anyways, thanks for watching. I hope to see you at the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something, and I hope you can teach me something. Anyways,